Hi, so here is the simple step how you can report an underage Facebook and Instagram user. So just you simply submit this form. You see they have mentioned it clearly. South Korea 14, then Quebec, Canada actually 14, then Spain 14. They have also Florida 14 and Australia 16. Okay, so you just come to this form for Facebook, enter your username of that account because of your child. Just I want to give one suggestion. First you ask him to delete their account. Okay, so you can watch our video over here, this one over here. We have explained how to delete permanently, okay, an Instagram account and Facebook account also. You can do it in a step-by-step process. You can watch both videos. I will add this both form link in the description box so that you can check it out, and you can also try this software to monitor the kids activities. Okay, so here activity logs will be there, then events files. It will capture actually your family devices screenshots silently. Okay, and you can live you can monitor, as well as if you forget to monitor, this system will take the screenshots for the activity monitoring. Then it has activity viewers, you can view it, then alerts you can set. Okay, then content filtering you can set, what kind of, based on the keywords you can set it. Let me show you. Okay, so if you come to this application, you can set, you can see content filtering enabled. Okay, you can edit it, edit a particular user. Okay, so you can see in this way you can do it. So account activity you can check it. Okay, so logged out for details for what kind of activities, timestamp. Okay, download, subscription. So these are actually you can manage and activities, online activities of your kids. Okay, very easily. So this much for today. Any questions you have, please ask me. Okay, and please subscribe this channel for helpful content like this. Okay, and watch our videos on Instagram playlist. Okay, so till then, take care. Bye bye.